Slide-Lok from Mommy's Helper. Included parts are the slide rod, spacer, and Slide-Lok. First, locate the opening for the slide rod. With door open, compare the Slide-Lok size to the door width. Using the spacer if needed, place Slide-Lok on top of the door. Drop slide rod into the Slide-Lok. Then close the door. Holding slide rod, lock the door by sliding device into the hinged area. Then test by pulling on handles. When ready to open, slide device to the left or right of the hinged area.